Yo, what's up guys? Today is gonna be fun. Normally I was scheduled to work today. I did a whole vlog about it yesterday. As of right now, I'm not working and I was invited to my friend Brad's house. If you guys remember Brad, I went snowboarding with him and a bunch of other buddies back in February to Colorado, so I actually haven't seen Brad. Yeah, I haven't seen Brad since February or March. Maybe I saw him once after that. But I'm super excited, man. So it's his birthday party today. We're headed over to his house. He's an adrenaline junkie, so he's dirt biker, mountain biker, everything. So he's got a track set up at his back of his house for dirt bikes. I haven't ridden dirt bikes in a while, but it's gonna be awesome. Let's go.
You know, this is gonna make me want one. I already do. I know.
Oh, he stalled it!
I had to put my goggles on.
Alright, okay, that'll be the excuse. That's fair.
All the same ones you won in Colorado.
Man! I mean, if it works, it works.
All seasons.
Who's the guy in the little bike with a wobbly wheel?
I don't know.
He's pretty good on that little bike, dude. Yeah, dude. Yo. Oh my god, my bad. I am seriously getting a whole lot better at riding. Probably not the best place to record, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm definitely getting a lot better at riding, which is cool. But I had to go grab some gloves. So I'm getting a serious blister. Not my area of expertise. Good way to spend a Sunday, man. All right, looks like we got a race. It's gonna be all pit bikes. Oh man.
Uh-oh, Matt! He's on you, Matt! He's on you! He's on you! idea that the race is over? No clue. The race is done. They've been competing with each other pretty much all day today. Oh, things are heating up.
There you got him.
There it is. Things are heating up.
There it is.
Woo!
That's what I would have been for.
Inside. Man down, man down. Hey man, race ended like 4 laps ago. You alright? Oh man, what's going on here, dude?
Oh, that happened earlier.
Oh, snap. Hi, puppy. Man, game on.
Okay. Things just
Pit
got
bike,
interesting.
double, big bike, triple. That's no joke. Yeah, dude, that was awesome. All right, Brad.
On an 88cc bike.
What are you gonna do, man?
Game on, Brad.
I mean, the guy showed up.
Dude, that was sweet. Impressive.
Yeah. There you go. Now he's like, oh, I could do it now.
Probably was here practicing last week.
Probably. He probably was. Sandbagging.
Yeah, totally.
I'm gonna get out of here.
Hey, thanks, man.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
It was
Fun.
a fun day.
We'll do it again.
Yeah.
On that bike, I was impressed.
Hey, thanks, man.
Yeah.
I got a little more comfortable going around the corners and stuff, so
That's what
I need to get one.
Corner for dough, jump for show.
That's how I won the race.
Yeah.
That's true. Yo, that was a lot of fun. I had a blast. I'm gonna end it right there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm tired, sorry. Thank you guys seriously so much for watching. Please, please, please subscribe. Peace.